Staying with the courts, 4 men accused of killing Hillary Gardee were in court in the Nelspruit Magistrate's court today. The magistrate today determined if the trial should be moved to a high court. Now, the body of the daughter of former EFF Secretary General Gardee was discovered after she had been missing for 4 days back in April. Let's get you more details now from our reporter Manqoba Mchunu, who's been monitoring court proceedings. Manqoba, the case being postponed to the 16th of September. Why exactly?
Well, Masiko, this is to allow for the state to conclude that bail hearing that is taking place here in court. Of course, you recall that there have been more suspects that have been added to this particular case. One of them is accused number 4, Manqoba, who of course was arrested in August, but he's not applying for bail at this particular point. But we do know that accused number 3, Albert Gama, is still in the process of applying for bail. So the state saying that it will want that particular process to be concluded first before the indictment is then handed over to the defense. But however, it does indicate that on the 16th of September, it does believe that it will then be ready to hand over the indictment. We do know that the bail hearing itself would likely be concluded on the 15th of September. But just to get a sense from the stage on what is to come and what happened today in court, I'm joined by Monica New. So thank you for your time, Monica. Let's start here. As the state, you have indicated that you are ready to draft the indictment and that the indictment is almost ready, but you're just waiting for this process, for this bail hearing to be concluded. How confident are you that you have a strong case as the state?
Okay. I can confirm that the 4 suspects did appear before the Nelspruit Magistrate's court today in connection with the murder of Hillary Gardee. All of them are linked to the offence. As a state, we believe that all 4 suspects before the court have a prima facie case, meaning that they have a case to answer. The reason I say that it's because after studying the docket as a national prosecuting authority, we saw that there is evidence linking them with the offence committed. So we believe that they do have a case to answer.
And how ready are you in terms of trial? Because, this is one of the issues, the readiness of the state for trial. Are you ready for trial?
The fact that the matter has been postponed to the 16th of September 2022, it is a clear indication that we are trial ready, as the accused will be appearing for the indictment to be served on the accused on the day. So the state is ready to proceed. After the indictment has been served on the accused, it will then be transferred to the court where the trial will resume.
And just finally, Monica, in terms of investigations, of course, we know that they continue. The police are still investigating. Do you expect more arrests in this case, more suspects perhaps to be added onto that indictment?
Now that the matter is postponed for the indictment to be served on the accused, it is clear that the investigations are finalized, meaning that all the information that we have as a prosecution-driven organization, it is before us. Then it will be served on the accused on the day when they all appear before this court.
Okay. Thank you very much. Well, I just want to speak quickly just to one of the defense lawyers representing 2 of the accused 2, Mr. Lukele, as well as Albert Gama. Just to get a sense from him, do you believe that the state has a strong case against your clients?
Not at all. I think this case was largely based on emotions, even including the arrest of our clients. But in any event, at the start of the case, there was lots of emotions, and the state, I think, it's played to the gallery. But now we are seeing eye to eye now. We're talking to each other. And then now we are understanding what has happened. But the most important thing is that our clients remain steadfast that they are innocent. They have never committed that offense. Actually, they are even worried about the family of Gardee. One of our clients was a friend to them. He's very worried, he's very concerned. And actually, he has even said on numerous occasions that he wants this matter to be speeded up. So now, initially, the state was dilly-dallying, but now I think, so far, we are seeing eye to eye. And I think that by the 16th, we'll be able to have an indictment. And that indictment will show that our clients at no point were they at the scene of crime, or they committed this gruesome offense, and also that they are very innocent. They want justice. They want to go out there to trial and tell the courts and the whole public, South Africa at large and the world, that we are innocent here. But luckily, which it is a problem, there was a point when the state arrested the fourth suspect.
But let me just stop you there. There is evidence that we're hearing that seems to suggest that your clients, both of them, were actually, linked to taking Hillary Gardee into a vehicle at some point.
But why is that evidence? Why is that evidence? We have never seen it. No one came. It's only hearsay. And remember that bail proceedings are general hybrid. You can say anything. The prosecutor can say anything. The defense can say anything. But then the question that we are asking is that present us with indictment, place our clients at the scene of crime, show us what they have done so that they can respond. But so far we have nothing. Even during bail application, if you have heard, the questions from the state were regarding the address and the children of the Albert Gama. They were not, at no point did the state ask Albert Gama as to whether they placed him on the scene of crime, whether he committed the crime or not. They don't have anything. But we respect them. Okay. It is their duty.
All right. Thank you for speaking to us. Lisiho Kwako represents two of the accused, Mr. Lukel as well as Mr. Gama, who are also accused in this particular matter. Of course, Masiho, the proceedings we are expecting will resume firstly on the 15th of September for that bail application to be concluded, then on the 16th for this handing over of the indictment.
All right. Manqoba Mchunu live for us outside the Magistrate's Court in Nelspruit, Mpumalanga.